Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add pronouns to Instagram bio. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for Instagram, and you need to update your Instagram application. Once you done that, you simply need to log in into your Instagram account and open Instagram and click on profile in the right bottom. And here you need to click on edit profile. Here you need to click on pronouns, and here you can see add up to 4 pronouns to your profile so people know how to refer to you. You can edit or remove them at any time. So I'm from here you need to select your language, so I'm going to add in English. So from here you can add like this. So we can add up to 4 and click on the tick mark on the top right. Click on tick mark again. So now you can see that 4 pronouns are added. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.